As floodwaters retreat in some areas of Arakan State, the full impact of the deadly floods is beginning to sink in. The death toll is up to 47 here in Burma's west, where Cyclone Koman brought the worst of this torrential monsoon. The Burmese government has now confirmed that 69 have been killed across Burma. That figure could still rise. The United Nations has partnered the government at the forefront of relief efforts. Aid has been flown in, but many isolated villages remain out of reach.
We are having a very difficult time reaching many of these areas. Our UN and NGO assessment teams are only just reaching many of these areas. They have been trying to get to those locations by boat over the past days, but the waterways are extremely precarious at the moment. There's a lot of debris, and so many times they've had to turn around. But we do now have some assessment teams in those locations, and they're reporting back now.
500,000 acres of farmland has been damaged across the country. A disaster in Lower Sagaing Division, Burma's Rice Bowl. Villagers in the town of Kalay said help has been slow to arrive. International donors have responded to the Burmese government's plea for aid. Australia and Norway have each pledged over $1 million to help relief efforts. But Burma's government has figured the damage at $7 million in Arakan State alone, $10 million across the country.